It's hard to explain what it feels like to be autistic because it's my normal, but it often feels like being out of sync with the world, like watching a movie where the sound doesn't quite match the picture. Things are happening, but my brain processes them differently. One of the hardest things is understanding social situations. People make it look so easy. They talk, smile, laugh. It's this natural rhythm that I just can't seem to pick up. For me, it's like trying to understand a foreign language. I'm constantly analyzing, wondering if I'm saying the right thing or missing some hidden meaning. It's exhausting. Take something simple like walking with a group of people. Before I even leave the house, my mind races. What if they ask me something I can't answer quickly? What if they think I'm weird for not making eye contact? Then when I get there, I feel overwhelmed. Everyone's talking, and I can't focus on one conversation because I hear everything. The wind, the gravel, the birds. It's all equally loud, and I'm struggling just to follow along. I'm constantly trying to fit in, mimicking other people's facial expressions and tone of voice, but it never feels right. It's like I'm acting without a script, terrified I'll mess up, and people don't see how much energy that takes. They might think I'm quiet or shy, but it's so much more than that. I care deeply about connecting with others, but it's just hard for me. What makes it worse is the stigma. People assume I'm rude or don't care because I don't jump into conversations or make eye contact. They don't understand that my brain processes social interaction differently, and the more judged I feel, the more anxious I become. It's a vicious cycle. Then there's the masking, trying to hide my autistic traits to seem normal. I force myself to make eye contact or laugh at jokes I don't understand, just so people don't think I'm strange. It's exhausting, and no one even notices how hard I'm working. Being autistic means navigating a world that wasn't designed for me. It's not that I don't want to connect. I do, but social interaction feels like solving a puzzle without all the pieces. Despite these challenges, I'm learning to accept that my brain just works differently. I don't need to change who I am to fit into the world. What I need is for the world to understand that my differences don't make me less. They just make me different, and that's okay.